Hey man, say man, and today man, we're gonna be doing another vlog. So I want you to tune in, get your snacks, sit back, cause we finna get the rolling, man. Run the intro.
And yeah, I'm fucked up in my head, a couple screws loose in my brain. This new clip hold 33 with one up top hold 34. Niggas thirsty for a kill, I pass it off like pick and roll.
Alright, so today I'm gonna go be checking out this car meet they having out here in Charlotte and shit, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get out, see what people got going on out there, get some inspiration, you know what I'm saying? Every time I go to a car meet, I always get some inspiration for my own car, for real. Even though it's some regular shit. I like fucking with sleeper builds, for real. Like cars you would never see upgraded. So I'm gonna, you know what I'm saying? I always go to these to get some inspiration and shit. So we gonna go check that out. I'm gonna lock back in with y'all when I get there, or maybe before then, but I gotta go all the way 38 minutes there, go see what they talking about. Going out here dolo, but not really dolo, if you know what I mean. You know, I'm by myself, but I'm not by myself. I got about 16 niggas with me, you know what I'm saying? So we gotta go out here and check this shit out. Might go see Pops and shit, introduce y'all to Pops and shit, and goddamn, yeah, we gonna keep it rolling. And this is day either 4 or 5 of me being fucking sober, for real. So I'm feeling good still, you know what I'm saying? Still got a little nauseousness in me and shit. Sometimes it just come and go and shit, but I know that just mean this shit getting out of me, and I soon, probably by a week, I probably won't even feel that shit, but I'm feeling good right now. Ate something, went to a little food truck, ate their food, got that shit. And yeah, we about to go out here and see what they talking about. I'm gonna lock back in with y'all in a little bit. Hey man, you can't really see this nigga, but this nigga, these niggas my high school niggas, man, on the guys, bro. Hold on. Whoa. Then we got, what's your name, man?
Emma.
Emma. Emma in that bed turn. Indeed.
Is she really on the phone?
So I stop tweaking, folks.
I'm not saying, but this shit charges you.
Nah.
Are we gonna walk or we just stand still?
He trying to get his shorty. I feel him. He like, man, get your ass over there. They done peeled on this goofy ass. They done peeled on this goofy ass. Oh shit. This motherfucker clean. I ain't even gonna lie. That green is crazy. Oh my god. This bitch, I ain't gonna lie. Marrow peeled on this goofy ass, boy. This motherfucker nice too. What this is? Act? I don't even know what this is. That's a Honda. Me, this big clean, boy. Oh, here go the tracks. I'm gonna show y'all the track, man. What this is? B? Yeah, clean, man. Oh my god. That's nice as Oh, we got a carbon fiber on that power.
That bitch nice. This track goes huge. Oh my God. Got the Chargers out here. Got some Mustangs out this big boy. God, that bitch clean. That bitch swatted. They got them boys in the sky. They watching. It's nice. Oh. Dude, look how it's touching the brown on the nigga. He got that bitch on bags. He got it. That's nice. Bit hard. Now this color, I ain't even gonna lie, that be nice. Nice. They got some boys in the air, I ain't even gonna hold. They control. Hey, man, you can't really see this nigga, but this nigga, these niggas my high school niggas, man, on the guys, bro. Hold on, whoa. Then we got, what's your name, man?
Emma.
Emma. Emma in that bed turn. Indeed.
Is she really on the phone?
So ass stop tweaking, folks.
I'm not saying, but this shit charges people.
Nah.
Are we gonna walk or we just stand still?
He trying to get his shorty, I feel him. He like, man, get your ass over there.
You gotta drive the track, though.
Oh, man.
What's that nigga name?
Hey, beat that Chrysler, that bitch nice. Oh my mama. Ooh. Brianna.
I'm trying to say that shit on marketplace like 25,000.
Damn. This.
That's some track. That nigga I was talking about right here.
Oh yeah, I see that nigga. Oh, the Trizzy again. Oh my God. See that camera out there, that mean he be going crazy. That camera on the back. Don't play with them. No. Oh, that's the basic shit. That's basic. We ain't worried about that. Deep out of BM, some slight convertible joint. Mustang. It's gas. I don't know why they did it over here. They could have did it over there for real. Just packed to the mall. Damn, all the food trucks out this big boy. Am I wild? Oh, damn, we got
Wait a minute,
the.
I got something to say. Guys,
This nigga got a smoke shop, I think. Oh, that's
what the fuck?
fake ass weed. That's it. Nice.
Don't listen to Miranda.
That paint job, nice as a motherfucker, boy. Hey, I fuck with that paint job, gang. That shit go crazy. I like the blackout too. That'd be nice. You know I fuck with the Civics too. Oh, that's an SI. That'd be nice. Motherfucker back here. Think enough niggas, we done already seen damn near anything, bro. Them rims crazy. I ain't gonna lie, he the main attraction for the night for real, bro. Dumb way. Ooh, he got the BBS's on him, bitch. That's 1800. What do niggas dip off? Some BMs in the back. Oh. Stains. That looks nice. I don't know why. Them Chargers and them purples go crazy. I fuck with this purple. That's like a midnight fucking purple on that bitch. You went dumb way. Wow. Niggas trying to hit me. I'm tall as shit. I got insurance. I'm suing everybody out this motherfucker. I'ma have me a track. Herbo, go talk to your girl, bruh. Hell yeah. I drink anything that got liquor. Yeah, I just need one shot for real. I already been drinking for real before I came for real. I gotta make it back to Salisbury. Oh God, I'm gonna be on the side of the road, flipped over out this bitch. Come on, man. Man, bro, it feels good to be outside, folks. Nigga, this is my first. I was supposed to went to the last one you went to for real, but I ain't even go. Oh God, I seen that shit. This one just some slight shit. But I ain't tripping though. They still lit out this motherfucker, boy.
She's still in the parking lot.
So you might as well just chop it up with her, bro. Quit playing, bro. You gonna be mad when she leave. You got a whole tat on your neck.
You are not, no. You're not being a man.
Bro, just take your, just be like, bro, I'm just like, fuck it, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, bro. But can we have a good night tonight? Let's have a good night so we can go home. Boy, if you hit that motherfucker, ooh, you gonna be sick, man. Hold on. Oh, you sick. Oh, they better get you time.
Okay, you with that bitch.
He got that motherfucker on the PCS.
Introducing Domino's first ever stuffed crust pizza. Try it for the first time tonight.
Hey man, it's the next day, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little hungover still, for real, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I needed that, for real. I ain't gonna lie. I needed to see that I still got it, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, you know what I'm saying? They got another one today. I'm not sure if I'm gonna pop out to that one. It's an hour away. I'm not sure if I wanna go that far to see some cars, for real, and you know what I'm saying? Yeah, but this is what we doing. Trying to get y'all this content. Hopefully I can make it out there today. Get y'all another car meet. Hopefully we can get the illegal ones, for real. I ain't even gonna lie. But it's cool either way. Not illegal, legal, either way. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all enjoy this content. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to come daily with this shit. So y'all fuck with me, man. If you see me at the car meets, if you see me, don't be afraid to come up to me. Shout your Instagram and shit out, you know what I'm saying? Just chop it up with me, folks. But yeah, that shit was lit. Shout out to the boys that put that together. I needed that, you know what I'm saying? And I hope y'all enjoy the content, man. Love y'all. Be easy, man, and be safe. Please. Love y'all. Peace.
And yeah, I'm fucked up in my head, a couple screws loose in my brain. This new clip, ho 33 with one up top, ho 34. Niggas thirsty for a kill, I pass it off like pick and roll.